So, Merry Christmas, everybody. It's an early shout out. It's my squeaky guitar. Taught this song all week. Thought I would share it. It's kind of fun. A little rusty tonight, but let's take a look. 8th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret. What I call part 2. Or you can play it this way. Part 3, a little tricky. Sometimes it throws me off as well. Up here at the 12th fret. One more time. Play it a little slower. Part 4, the build-up. Like to make sure I'm using all my fingers with that. Get that pinky in there. Part 4. Just descending that little minor run there. I threw that little tremolo thing in at the end. 12th fret, 14th, 15th, 17th. I don't have a 24th fret, so I just went up here to whatever I had. And yeah, have fun with that. Thought it was pretty cool. I had another version that I was going to do where I kind of try to use a harmonizer with it. Darken it up a bit. Let's try that again. Part at the end didn't work out very well, so I cut it out. But or I just decided to not use that harmonizer sound. Play it however you want. There's a million different versions, but I just thought it'd be a cool, quick Christmas song to throw down. But peace out. Take care.